Good morning, y'all. This is Biju Gopik Tilaga here, and today we are going to explore a new operating system from Deepin. It's a beta version. Basically, what you have seen is the front-end desktop and the Deepin desktop environment. The current version is Deepin 20 beta. So what you have seen in the bottom side is the taskbar, and they have changed most of the interfaces based on the multi-platform architecture. For example, we can have different look and feel. The major change is here. Nothing in the launcher. The taskbar is bit changed, and also if you want you can increase the size like this or to the minimum, or you can change to the mode to the efficient mode or the beautiful mode. So these are the things. I don't like the curved one. I prefer the normal efficient mode. This is okay for me. And the launcher, they don't have much change. The only thing is they have the categorized and search, everything is same. And also if you minimize, it will come to the normal way. The same categories what you have seen in the left side that you can see on the maximized launcher menu selection also. And that about the launcher. And the second thing, we come to the multitasking view. For example, it's also same like what we have in the previous time. And the major difference here is in the file browser. For example, the first thing is the curved one, just like it's more curved than the previous version, but when you maximize that one, you don't feel that thing. And also you have the menus are almost the same. Menus are almost same, but but there are some major changes here. For example, if you notice here, you can have list. These are same, and also we have some side band appeared here. This was a new feature, and also just like the settings is quite normal. And theme also you can change dark or light themes based on your interests. I always prefer the light themes. Okay, this is about the file launcher, and also other things are open with it's the same board. It's the same. The color combination also same. You can give any color code to any separate file or folder. That will come like this in the left side. For example, if I select this picture and I change to green, immediately the green will come here. You don't want, you have to remove that one. So tag information you can give green. If you don't want, you have to delete that one and press here. So if you want, you can remove this tag also from here. That is one easiest way to colorize a specific folder or a file. And next thing is a major change what I found is in the terminal. So it's quite normal. The theme is quite normal. So for example, so same. Not much difference in the one. Much difference. Remote management also there. If you want to switch the theme, that you can do from here. So don't have much changes in the interfaces. And the other thing, they have removed the Chrome browser by default. The Chromium, instead of they have put the Chromium browser, and the Chromium they have put the latest one, very latest version they have put. Okay, that about the version. And also the music the music player they have changed a lot. So for example, if you want, you can have the interface, everything is changed. You can play the music like this. So this is the one easiest and excellent way to play the music in this one. You can do pause or play, or if you exit it exit here, and these are some extra. And this is the Word WPS presentation, and Word Writer is still old one. I think for the Windows version they have the latest one. So still we are using WPS 2019, and for the Windows user they have updated one. And album is built in, and also timeline, and they have imported modified many options. So I like that one. And also the major thing is the screen capture recorder that is still running. You can run the entire screen with the webcam inside the webcam. Other thing is the control center and App Store. App Store doesn't have much difference. For example, the App Store definitely going to the old way, but most of the apps are coming in the Chinese one. For example, yesterday I have installed the Firefox. That was the Chinese. I had a bit trouble with changing the language to add Chinese to change the language to English. So otherwise everything is same. Okay, that's all about the application. And next things is to display settings or wallpaper settings. I mean, they have added some nice extra wallpaper. Most of things are new and really suited the I like most of things are very good really. I'm not a great fan of any wallpaper. I like to always prefer the light color. So, but there is an easy way to change. For example, if you want to change the wallpaper, you can just right click and change wallpaper, all the wallpaper, plus the picture, the pictures from the picture folder will appear here. Then you can easily change. And that's about the picture folder. And so I prefer this one. And also the same way you can change the screen saver. If you want to change the screen saver, you have to select the screen saver here, and they have added some extra nice screen saver here. These are old one, and this is quite new, and this is also quite new. This is a new. So they have added some extra screen saver here. Yeah, really good. Okay, that's all about setting the screen saver. I think this is really good. I'm not putting a screen saver. That about the basic application, and I will show you the control center. The control center we have separated here, and if you want to change the account and details, you can add a new user. You just click on the plus sign and you can add a new user. And also display, I told you the cloud account also, just like the Deepin Cloud, you can sign with and your most of the preference bookmark and everything you can sync with the cloud account sync. It's a built-in and free. And as a default application, you can set which is a text editor, the music application, video and picture application. Network is also same, it's not much change. Date and time they have changed, entirely changed. If you want, you can add an extra time zone. For example, if you want to add the UK, British or something, London, you can add here, and simply you will get a second time zone here. So this is one of the easiest way to manage the control center. And the update also saying update they have entirely changed. The update settings, we don't have an option to select the update directory, or I think the application itself selecting from the local or the nearest or the best one based on, I don't know which logic they have used to select the nearest server, or maybe they are using the latest or fastest server. I don't know. I haven't checked the repository or the current latest code for this one, because it's released a couple of days back only. I mean, for our hammocks, and we will definitely in future we will use this one. We will use this interface. I mean, most of the people like the one, so it is up to date. So the system info, you can see that I'm using an old one, and everything is as usual same. The general settings, if you want, you can have a setup delay, and the theme here. So if you want to theme to view the boot menu, so these things are nicely arranged in the settings. For example, I want to change the scrolling speed, double speed, it's all same. Mouse, pointer speed, mouse acceleration, natural scrolling, it's all same. Keyboard, same. Updates, the same. Everything is otherwise almost it's the same. So this is about my new operating system, and it's really wonderful. And also the notifications will be here, and arranged in a group categorized. If you have multiple actions in same thing, so it will categorize here. So if you click on that one, it will display here. For example, control center, I have 3 notifications that will group together and display here. For the screenshot, this way it would display the notification center. And other thing what I found is the calendar. I mean, the calendar is they have improved a lot. I mean, if you want day, week and month and yearly one, and if you want, you can add something. Just click and you can schedule your planner and everything. With a single click from here, from the date options, you can add your daily schedules. So that's all about the new operating system, Deepin 20 beta. And thanks for watching. This is Victor Uniform number 2, Hotel Bravo India, V2HPI, Viju Gobit Laga here. Thank you.